Freddy go cross the block. I fuck the music, I make it curve. I fuck the music with my serpent curve. Hit. Wanna be, have no fear, comes and goes, man. It's here, no windows, feels so weird when it blows through my bones. I got a dose for it. Wanna know more, cause it's about what I got to show for it. I want some more of it, I want too much. I got so bored with it, I shot it up. Wanna light my torch with it and get all fucked up. Yeah! What is it, where is it, how will it affect me? Fuck that shit, I need that shit bound to be the death of me. Fuck buying it, I'm taking it and sharing it with nobody. Cause all I really need is some cool shit to mob. Like driving down the street to the beat of a blowjob. You already know that shit. You even know about how I know the man who grows that beyond. You can't buy with your money. You can't find it overseas. It's one of those things that seem outlandish. Do you have? It's not a dream. As for me, I'm doing it. That's alright, cause it's my thing. What is it? Where is it? How will it affect me?
Third place. Killed in the jam session. Sick run today. You're down some serious bangers. Justin Smolinski.